Great means not great. Yeah, fine. Okay, no problem. Mm, okay, let's keep it there. Mm. Let me launch Eclipse IDE, my dear. Yes, here is my Eclipse IDE. Here is my Eclipse IDE. Yeah, today we have to develop a mini project using Spring REST API, complete API with the database connectivity. It's our psychological feeling, boss. The same old story again, right? Okay, 5 methods or 10 methods. Okay, on the same lines of Spring Data JPA linked with what REST controller. Okay. Yeah, where is this? 515. That's good. Yeah, meanwhile, let me open the document here. Let me open the document. Let me open the document here. Okay, here is what paint. Yes, here is my paint, guys. File, what is there? Open it. File, open it. Yeah, tell me here, Spring here. Yeah, where is the story, guys? Where is the story we are talking about? 515, na? Yes, 515. Spring Boot REST. Spring Boot REST. Okay. Now, yeah, we are developing REST API mini project. REST session. Yeah, session 8. REST API mini project. That's great. Close all editors here. File new. What is there? Spring Starter project, guys. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's the mini project I'm looking to develop? What is that? Yeah, same old story, guys. The methods in REST controller are called business method or operations. Best web operation, REST operation. REST endpoints are what? Endpoint. The what is there? Operations of REST controller can have flexible signature. We can place business logic directly in operations of REST controller, but it is recommended to place them in service class method and invoke them from what? A REST controller operation with respect to provider application development. Developing REST controller with multiple operations linked with what? Service DO class method performing what? CRUD operations is nothing but developing what? Server or service provider or REST API or producer application, right? Yes. Okay. Tell me. While working with the basic programming language technology framework, API means working with what? Java packages that are having classes, interfaces, enums, and what? Annotation. While working with RESTful web services, API means what? Developing or using a RESTful web service controller class, provider or producer application with method details, nothing but API endpoints. In Java technologies framework, libraries are also called APIs, right? In web services, APIs are nothing but distributed application. So don't confuse, guys. API word is used in two angles, right? Okay. CoWIN API, weather report API, ICC API, all these are APIs only, na? API development means first you have to think that they are asking to develop distributed application. No, they are not talking about web services means API means library development. API development is nothing but what? Library development. Getting API and its operation details, nothing but what? Basic URL, request path, request mode, path variables info. Together is called gathering API and its endpoint details are not there. Gathering API and what? Endpoint details. Convinced with me, my dear, are not there? Yeah. Here is my dispatcher servlet, REST controller, service, DAO, database software, right? Okay. REST controller passes model class object to service. Service will pass model class object to DAO. What do you say, guys? Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Generally, we decided not to take, okay, entity class as what? VO class or model class. It's better to take what? For input output, better to take separate VO or entity class, right? Yeah. Programming API is base for developer to create or develop what? Language or technology or framework based application. Okay. This is also called as what? Library that comes in the form of jar file. RESTful App Service API is nothing but producer or service provider application, nothing but REST controller class, nothing but what? Distributed application. What application, guys? Distributed application. Okay. Dispatcher servlet talks to REST controller. REST controller talks to service. Service talks to DAO. DAO talks to database software. Are you understanding my statement, boss? Okay. Everyone convinced with me, my dear, or not there? Okay. Yeah, once again, look at the layered application. Yeah, there. Everywhere we are taking model, guys. But when it comes to repository, we have to deal with DAO or not there, guys. Okay. We have to deal with what? DAO. Are you understanding my statement, guys? So here DAO is nothing but repository. Repository deals with entity classes are not there. Super, guys. Okay. Dispenser led REST controller service DAO. DAO talks to what? Database software. Okay. But here I will be only not dealing with entity class. I also prefer working with what? VO and entity class separately. What's the difference between VO class and entity class, guys? Okay, VO will deal with inputs and outputs, guys. And entity will deal with what? Persistence operation. Entity class contains what? Data properties and metadata properties. And VO contains only data properties, right? Yes. Okay. Yeah, check it out here. Already given that point. It's always recommended to take separate VO class, Java Bean, to carry inputs and to carry outputs. Using using entity class for same purpose is not at all recommended because entity class contains lot of metadata information. What guys? Metadata. In initial projects, I have not implemented that part, guys. But nowadays, I am separating what? Entity separately, VO separately. Are you getting my point? Yes. What is there? Entity class. Java Bean class having data properties plus metadata properties. What properties? Data properties and metadata properties. Other side, what we got? VO class. Java Bean class just having data properties. Okay. Useful to carry, what is there? Inputs and outputs. Useful to carry inputs and outputs. Tell me here. Useful to carry. What is there, guys? Useful to carry. Useful for persistence operations. What operations, guys? Yeah, definitely it is useful for what? Persistence operations. Everyone getting my point? Yes. Yeah. Let's go for boot rest pros. How much? 9. What is there, guys? Some API we have to develop. Shall we develop Actor API? What API? Actor API. What API I'm planning to develop, guys? Actor API. Okay, mini project. Yeah, Actor API mini project. Yeah, Spring Boot REST project. Say next. Lambak, Dev Tools. What is there? Web. Lambak API, Dev Tools, and what? Web. Yeah, Aracle driver. And I'll work with MySQL only. Okay. Spring Data JPA. Okay, I think these are enough now, my dear. Okay, that's good. Say next. Say finish. I will deal with JSON only, not XML. I'll pass it. So for testing purpose, I'm not taking any application, guys. I would like to test this project by using what? Postman. Definitely, I would like to test this project by simply using what, guys? Postman tool. No doubt in that. Definitely, I would like to test this project by simply using what tool, guys? Postman tool. What tool? Postman. Okay, that's good. Let's see what we can do there, guys. Save this, guys. It's been saved. Actor API mini project. That's good. Okay, first we will complete the packages creation, guys. Here we complete the packages creation. Right click here, new package. What's the package I want to take? com.nt.entity. That's good. New package. com.nt.vo. New package. What is there? com.nt.service. What is there? New package. com.nt.repository. Service VO repository entity. Next package. What's the package, guys? Com dot nt dot. Yeah, in future I want to handle exceptions or to keep the custom exceptions. It's better to have one errors or exceptions package or not there. Okay. Next, array to place API REST controller. Yeah, it's better to place what? Com dot nt dot rest. What dot rest, guys? Com dot nt dot rest. Com dot nt dot rest. Application dot properties. What is there? Application dot properties. Okay. Yeah. Here is what, guys? Server port number. What is there? Server port number. Yeah, this is embedded server port number or not there? Embedded server port number. Server dot port is equal to 4041. Embedded server port number. What is there, guys? Server port number 4041. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Data source configuration. Okay. What is there? Spring dot data source dot. What is there? Driver hyphen class hyphen name. What hyphen? Driver hyphen class hyphen name. Com dot. What is there? MySQL dot. CJ dot driver. Data source dot. What is there? URL. JDBC colon. Aracle colon. Thin colon. Where is that? Local. This is wrong, na? We are dealing with MySQL here. MySQL colon 3 slashes NTSP-BMS. What is there? 515 DB. Spring dot data source dot. What is there? Username system. Spring dot data source dot. What is there? Password root. I think here I have to change this one also to root or not there. I have to change this one also root or not, guys. JPA properties. Hibernate, what, guys? JPA properties. We are dealing with what, guys? Hibernate JPA properties. Tell me here, what are those? Spring dot JPA dot database platform. ORG dot Spring dot JPA dot database platform. ORG dot hibernate dot dialect dot. What is there? MySQL dialect. Spring dot JPA dot. Hibernate auto. DDL hyphen auto. What is there? Update. Spring dot JPA dot show hyphen SQL true. Show hyphen SQL true, guys. Okay. Show hyphen SQL true. One is data source configuration, my dear. Come on. Yes. Server port number, root, show hyphen SQL true, guys. Yeah. Boot REST Pros 9 Actor API mini project. Okay. These are the details. Okay. And fine. So we'll take entity class, my dear, now. Yeah, shall we go for entity class now? Okay. Entity class not only contains data properties, it also maintains what? Metadata properties, right? Yes. Okay, guys. What is there? Actor entity. What entity? Actor entity dot Java. At the rate data. Private integer AID. Private string. What is there? A name. Private integer AID. Private string A name. Control plus shift plus O. I think we have not added Lambda KPI, na? Not added. Sure. Spring guys, add starters. Spring guys, add starters. Tell me here, where is that? I'm selecting Lambda KPI here na boss. Select this. Select pom.xml. Save finish. Select this. Select pom.xml. Save finish. Lambda KPI is working or not working? Okay, let's see. Private string category, actor category, hero na, villain, artista, private string address, private double remuneration, remuneration, private double remuneration. These are called what properties, guys? Data properties. Okay, next one, guys. Metadata properties. Next one is what, guys? Metadata properties. Yeah. Tell me, what is metadata properties, guys? What is the story of metadata properties? Then we have to put all this stuff na, boss. Private integer update count. That's good. Private local date time. Okay. Create date time. Yeah. Created on or joined on. Okay. Private local date time updated on. What is there, guys? Updated on. Control plus shift plus O. Yeah, tell me here. Where is this? At the rate ID. Okay. At the rate ID. Tell me. At the rate sequence generator. What generator? Name is equal to gen1. At the rate sequence generator. Name is equal to what? Gen1. Okay, guys. Next. Sequence name. Sequence name. What is there? AID underscore sequence. Initial value 1. Allocation size 1. Initial value 1, allocation size 1. But we will make it what? At the rate entity, guys. At the rate table. Name is equal to rest underscore actor underscore API. Rest underscore actor underscore this. Okay, that's good. Here is my sequence generator. What generator? Yeah, already there. Generated value. What value? Generated value. Generator is equal to gen 1. Strategy is equal to what is there? Sequence. Strategy is equal to sequence. Tell me. At the rate column, yeah, length is equal to 30. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. And that's, yeah, our string column length we can control on my dear. Yes. Yes, boss. Address done. This is done. Fine. Okay. Yeah. Update count. I want to make this one as what? Version. I'd like to make that one as what? Version, guys. Yeah. Tell me now. At the rate creation timestamp. Creation timestamp. At the rate, what is this? Update timestamp. At the rate create timestamp. At the rate what? Update timestamp. We are simply dealing with what? At the rate create timestamp. At the rate what? Update timestamp. Convinced with me, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah. Okay. Tell me. Private version creation timestamp, update timestamp. Yeah. Okay, now tell me. Active switch, we will try to take public string. What is there? Array, first, whenever you want to have soft deletion, this active switch is good, na? We can work with this active switch or not there. At the rate column, length is equal to 30. But when it comes to this, guys, in this column, at the rate column, at the rate in created on update operations are false now, guys. Updatable false. In at the rate column, come on, insertable is equal to false or not there. Okay, that's good. Where is this? Private. Where is this, guys? Private. Yeah. Generation type is auto now. Why? Sequence will work here also. Who said sequence will not work? Created by. What by? Created by. At the rate column. Where is that? Length is equal to 30. Created by. In created by, I don't want to allow any update operations. Updatable is equal to false. Yeah, tell me. Private string. What is there? Updated by. At the rate column. Length is equal to 30. Tell me. Insertable is equal to false. What is equal to false, guys? Insertable is equal to false. Yeah. One side data properties, another side what? Metadata properties, right? Yes. One side data properties, another side what guys? Metadata properties. That's good, great. That's good guys. I think anything is missing in this entity class. I think all are covered nicely na? Enumeration, all this stuff. Okay, now I will put one all arg constructor guys. Okay. And except ID value, I will try to put non-null, right? Except ID value, I'll try to put what? Non-null. Non-null. Where is this? Non-null. Lambak API. Non-null. Where is this, guys? Non-null. Non-null. Is it right? We are taking what? Non-null. This is my actor entity or not there? That's great. File save as. File save as. What is that? Actor Java. File save as actor Java. Here is my actor Vivo now, my dear. Come on, everyone. Yes. Here is my actor Vivo. That's good. In Vivo, we just need getter setter, no all this stuff, right? Okay. Okay, boss. No need of this. No need of this. Only data properties are sufficient or not there. Right. Okay. No need of metadata properties, right? Delete it. Yeah. Here is my data properties. Yeah, these are unused imports, guys. Let's remove all the unused imports. Remove this, remove this. This is my actor view. Window, prospective, reset prospective. If any settings are disturbed, guys, they will be coming back to original state. Okay. Go to in Vivo. I don't want to keep Vivo in this package, guys. Better to maintain Vivo class in Vivo package, na boss. Better to maintain Vivo class in what? Vivo package. Yeah, this one. Actor Vivo dot Java. What dot Java, guys? Simply, literally, what dot Java? Actor Vivo dot Java. Simply, solidly, what dot Java, guys? Actor Vivo dot Java. Okay, that's great. Super, guys. AID, A name, category, address, remuneration. Remuneration. Okay. Fine. Okay. I think updated by also not required, guys. Go to entity class. I think, see, metadata properties anyhow filled up automatically. Okay. So it's better to have parameterized constructor covering only Data properties na boss. Yeah. At the rate, what is there? Required arg constructor. What constructor? At the rate required arg constructor. That's good. Required. By involving non-null properties, this will be done. Okay, now we have to develop what, guys? A repository interface. What interface? Yeah. New, where is this interface? iActor repository. iActor repository. What is the one? Extends from what repository? JPA repository. Rakesh Kumar, feel shame, ra. You are asking DAO package not required. This indicates how you are doing practicals. Rakesh, in your nearby home, if any drainage is there, jump into that. And it's been so many days we stopped using DAO. In the place of DAO, we are taking repository. In Spring Data JPA, are we developing DAO interface and implementation class? Repository is alternate for that or not there? Shameless fellow. See, repository acting as a DAO, right? Ayyo. Don't waste normal water, Rakesh Kumar, please. I'm very concerned about water. Okay. Where is this actor? Yeah, tell me, what is this ID, guys? Any name or ID property data type? It is always going to be ID property data type. This one, entity class. This one is entity class or not there? Okay, that's good. Tell me. iActor repository dot Java. What, guys? iActor repository dot Java. iActor repository dot Java. That's good. Great. Fine. So we'll start with what? Saving the record, right? We'll start with what? How to save the record. From Postman as a request body, I'm going to get JSON content. Okay. Having post mode that I will store into Vivo class object. Vivo, Vivo is created in what? REST controller. That is passed to service. Service converts Vivo into entity. Pass it to repository. Repository we call save method. It will take care of record insertion or not. So Postman supplied post mode JSON data is now there in the table as a record or not there, guys. So first we target that, remaining things later, right? Okay, that's good. First we'll go for a service. Today I'm not developing consumer application. We are focusing only API development. For this API, we try to develop what? Okay, Java based consumer application. For that only we have REST template kind of discussion. What discussion, guys? REST template. What is there? REST. Yeah. Once this API development discussions are over, we will be focusing on what? Consumer application development. Okay. What about this Saturday Sunday plan, guys? Saturday morning 9:15 OAuth practical spot. Okay. And Saturday evening 5:15. Okay. Saturday evening 5:15. Uh, cash discussion. Redis cache part 1. Sunday morning 7 a.m. What is this? Redis cache part 2. Redis cache part 2. Okay, that's good. Right click, new. Where is this? Interface. Tell me. iActor management service. Okay. iActor service. iActor management service dot Java. Yeah, public string. Where is this? Register actor. Register actor. What I'm going to get is Vivo only. What I'm going to get is what? Vivo only. Tell me here, where is this? New. Where is this, guys? Class. Actor management. What is there? Service IMPL. Actor management service IMPL. What's the interface I have taken, guys? iActor management service. Save finish. Add unimplemented methods. Okay, add unimplemented methods. Actor management service IMPL dot Java. How to make this class, guys? At the rate service. Okay, guys. This year, when is Dasara, guys? Any idea? Puja festival. For Oriya people, Puja festival. Dasara, any idea? This year, when is Dasara? Okay. It's too long, but I'm just asking. No, October, I know. Which dates of October? I know it comes in October only. Oh, this is 2nd October. Huh? Oh, is no September 30, right? October is right. Fine, whatever it is. Yeah, fine. What is there? Private. What is this? iActor repository. What is there? Actor repo. At the rate auto wide. Okay, at the rate auto wide. Ramana, one by one, everything comes, Ra Babu. Please, Ra Naina. Okay, right. I'm working all the 7 days and still these people are not happy. Huh? Huh? Do you have any consensus, Ramana? I'm working all the 7 days. Huh? Almost every day I'm taking class. And on weekends I am working more hours, right? Great. Mahan Purush. Fine. Save the object. Save the object. Tell me here, where is the story? Int id val is equal to, where is this? Actor. Hmm. Actor repo dot save. But we have to pass entity only. But that's why we have to convert what? Convert. Tell me. Vivo class object to what object? Entity class object. Yeah, tell me. Actor entity. What is there? Entity is equal to new actor entity of actor entity is equal to new actor entity of. Okay, guys. Actor entity is equal to new actor. In this whole process, we forgot to add no arg constructor, guys. Yes, it's better to have one no arg constructor also, my dear. Yes. Actor Vivo. Tell me. One no arg constructor also better to have. Yes. Okay. One all arg constructor. Okay. Yeah. Entity. Boonutils dot copy properties. What is the source object, guys? Vivo. What is the destination? Entity. Array, version timestamp will be filled up automatically. Active switch. For active switch, I take a default value. For active switch, by default, I will take a default value. Active switch, by default, it will have what value? Active. Okay, na boss? Next. When it comes to created by, updated by, we have to control it or not there. So created by, I have to set entity dot set created by system dot tell me get property of user dot name. User dot name. Okay, that's good. Get AID. Next one is what, guys? Return. Okay, what is this? Actor object is saved with the ID value plus ID. Actor object is saved with the ID value plus ID value. Everyone understanding my statement, guys? Come on, everyone. Yeah, that's good. I think actor object is saved with the ID value. This. Okay, that's good. Okay, service part is ready, guys. We got Vivo. We are converting Vivo into this. Now we have to develop one REST controller here. We need to develop one REST controller here. Let's focus on REST controller. Yeah, where is that? Class. What is this? Actor operations. What controller? REST controller. Actor operations REST controller. Okay, that's good. Here is what, guys? Actor operations REST controller. Yeah, tell me here, where is this? REST controller. Tell me. Request mapping. Where is this? Slash actor API. What API? Slash actor API. Come on. Tell me next one. Private iActor management service. Where is this? Actor service. Here is my what? At the rate auto. What is there, guys? At the rate auto. It's really, really nice or not there? Okay. Public, tell me. Response entity string. Public response entity string. Yeah, we have to develop that save method. Na? Output is string only. Na? That's why string. Yeah. But listen, output is string only. Na? If exception comes also string message. Okay. If success comes also string message. Right. Register actor or save actor. What actor? Save. Post mode requires content comes as the body, right? Content comes as the body. At the rate request body. Actor Vivo. Actor Vivo. Already we discussed this part. Yeah, what is there, guys? Post mapping slash save. Post mapping slash save. Yeah, tell me, guys. Here is my what, guys? Use service. Here is my what, guys? Use service. So definitely, what is this, guys? Use service, guys. At the rate request body actor Vivo. Right. Here is my use service. string message is equal to actor service dot register actor of this. We got the message or not there? Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Now what I do is I'll keep a try block. I'll keep skyblock. If everything goes smoothly, tell me. Return new. What is there? Response entity. Return new response entity. Siri is requesting remote control on your screen. Siri, what do you want to do? Siri, you want to teach today's class? Siri, respond. Want to teach today's class? Okay, then if you are ready to teach today's class, then let me know. What happened? Meeting got ended, ah? Where is the meeting, ra? But without meeting only, they want to access meeting. Arey, what happened? No, all okay. Okay, all okay now, fine. Okay, all okay. I think it's there. Overlapped. Yeah. Actor API. Return new response entity. What entity? Return new response entity. Message comma. HTTP status dot. What dot? Status dot okay. What dot okay, guys? HTTP status dot okay. It's really great or not there, guys? Tell me next one. Catch. Exception E. Okay. Tell me. Exception E. Return new. Copy this. Paste it. New response entity string. E dot get message. What message? Or I'm handling exception, but instead of handling exception in every method, no, there is a possibility of global exception handling, which is specific to REST controller. I will talk at the end of the project, right? Okay. And when exception comes also status code 100 you want? No. I would like to have internal server error. What server error? Internal server error. End of the class. What is there? End of the class. Okay, we are ready with this stuff. Okay, now we have to test it, right? Yeah, that's it. Postman we have to use now, boss. Okay, in Postman we have to pass actor. Okay, now I'll tell one small technique, guys. Okay, this is actor view now, guys. Copy this, paste in ChatGPT. It will give JSON data. You need not to create JSON data manually. Different days I have shown different techniques. This is one more technique I am showing. Chat GPT here. Okay. Provide sample JSON data. Okay. Having Indian names. Yeah, it is very it is having Indian names, excluding AID property. AID property. Say paste. Enter key. Yeah. See, it is listening or not? Rajesh Khanna, Rekha, Mohanlal, Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Kangana Rath, Prakash Raj, Irfan Khan. See, they are actors. All these are actors, not the stars. You ask the same thing. provide stars info. At least you realize who is actor, who are stars. These are stars. Stars are different, actors are different. Uh, Mahesh Babu star, not the actor, because in every movie same acting. Okay, na? So there are artists, there are actors, there are stars. Stars, whatever they do, it will run. But artist, okay, artist, while watching artist movie, we don't look at the person who is playing the role. We will feel he is there. The role is there in the movie, right? So, okay. So that's why don't become fans for stars. Becomes fans for what? Deepika Padukone also star. Nayanthara, Yash, Ram Charan, Samantha, Ruth Prabhu. These are what? Stars. They are not actors. That means they don't know about the acting skills, right? Sample data having artist info. Maybe it may take remain artist info. Okay, artist info. Brahmanandam. That means all artist info. Brahmanandam means a very popular comedian of Telugu movies. Maybe you are not aware of it. Kota Srinivas Rao, Surekhavani also, na? Sunil, Ali, Hema, Raghubabu, Sudha, all these are Telugu artists. Fine. What do you want? What do you want? Let's take stars information only because stars will sell fast, right? But we don't need all the stars, guys. Well, one star is enough for me because I want to save one actor information at a time, not multiple. Okay, guys. Here is my postman, guys. Okay, we'll run parallelly. Right click, run on server. What is there? Remove all, finish. Yes. We are ready now, boss? Yeah. So let's take a collection. I hope you are started habituating to this one collection, guys. Plus symbol, blank collection. 515. What is there? Boot rest pros. 515 boot rest pros. Tell me. 515 boot rest pros 09 mini project. What project, guys? Mini project. That's good. Hmm. That's good. That's good. That you add request, boss. Close it. 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 Yeah, this is my post mode request now, guys. That's say paste. Oh, copy the URL from here first. I copied the URL from here. Say paste. Tell me. Actor API. Next one. Say body, guys. Raw. Say paste. Body, guys. Say raw. This is my request. This is my request one. Right. Body. Where is this? Ra JSON. In this place. What is that? Yeah, we are looking to in ChatGPT JSON data is there or not there? Here is my JSON data. Copy this, guys. Say paste. Shah Rukh Khan, hero, Mumbai, all this stuff. Yes. Okay. AID is not taken because it will be generated dynamically. It will be generated dynamically. I think all set, guys. Yes. Click on send button. Is saved one. But metadata properties will be generated dynamically. Na? Saves. If it is MVC, UI is inbuilt. If it is not MVC, no UI. Another application UI will be used. But right now, we are not ready with the consumer application development knowledge. We are testing through Postman. We are definitely testing through Postman or not there. Okay. So now let's open MySQL here, guys. Let's open MySQL here. Connection one. Yeah. Connection one. What's our logical database, guys? 515 DB. Tables is there. What is there? Tables is there. Tell me what is the story there? Doctor underscore idea? No. What underscore ID, guys? Okay, what is there? Doctor underscore idea? No, boss. Where is that? Rest underscore actor underscore API. Select rows. So a lot of metadata information has come now, boss. Created on working, updated by won't come, update count 0, just inserted. Updated on also won't come because just inserted now, boss. And remaining all are right now. Active switch. They are coming in alphabetic order, boss. Don't worry about it. Columns are created in what? Alphabetic order. That's good. I think my theory and practical is matching or not matching? Okay. Okay, boss. Okay. Let me insert one more record. I think we have got 1 minute. Let me save this guys nicely. Go to chat GPT. Deepika Padukone, I think. Amitabh Bachchan. Okay. Allu Arjun. Okay. Let's write Allu Arjun. Allu Arjun, yeah, real star. I will tell why. See, whoever becomes star in Telugu industry, there is a hand of what? Rajamouli on. There is a hand of Rajamouli, right? You take Prabhas, you take Ramcharan, you take Junior NTR, you take anyone. But without having hand of Rajamouli, the one who created his own brand and he has become what? In national wide popular, okay? That is Allu Arjun. In that aspect, definitely what? Mm. But only the problem with Allu Arjun is he don't know how to handle the success. Yeah, because few dialogues gone here and there. Okay. Mm. Say paste. Fine. Okay. Click on what? Save. Pushparaza. In movie it looks Pushparaza. Outside, if you speak 1 2 words here and there, what happened, he knows. Okay. Right. Yes, boss. Here happen. The things are inserted. One more record is inserted or not there. That's good. But listen carefully. Are like this, I may write one end point, a lot of end points, lot. Every time me handling exception manually like this is very problematic or not. Okay, 1 minute. Let me create the situation of exception rising also. If I try to insert more than column size data, right? Hero, right? Click on it. Okay, exception is coming. 500 internal server is coming. Okay, I no, this is working. I'm not saying it's not working, but the problem is like this 10 methods I kept as 10 endpoints. Every time I'm catching and handling is very complex job are not there. That's why what I do is I don't handle exceptions, guys. I don't handle exception, boss. Here is what try. Here is what request me. At the rate request body actor vivo MSG this MSG HTTP status dot okay. Convinced or not convinced, guys? It's coming or not coming, guys? Come on, everyone. Okay, that's good. But what about exception handling, sir? Okay, for that one, we have one special class to develop that is called REST controller advice. What is there? Class, tell me. Actor API REST controller advice. This is purely to handle exceptions, guys. This is too purely to handle exception. REST controller advice, that's good. Public response, response entity, what is there? String. Public response entity is string only. Tell me. Handle exception. What is there? Exception E. Handle exception, exception E. At the rate, exception handler. Okay, it should be ready to handle any exception now, boss. Okay, exception handler, exception dot class. Are you getting my point there, guys? Handle exception, handle all exception. That's good. Yeah, because of this one method, any exception in any endpoint will be handled or not. Not only endpoint, any service class, repository class exceptions also it will handle. So in one place, we are handling global exceptions are not there. This comes under global exception handling concept, guys. Where we are doing in REST controller advice. Okay. Return, where is this? New response entity. E dot get message. What is there? HTTP status dot OK. What dot OK, guys? HTTP status dot OK. Control plus shift plus O. Convinced or not, my dear? Come on, everyone. That's great. Super. Okay. Now let's see. Right click, run on server, Tomcat, save finish. Okay, guys, forget about this. Come here. Same situation. See, guys, still we are getting error, exception. Now, right now, my REST API method is very clean method, right? Only success part it is handling, but still exception part is going good now, boss. And not only for this handler method, any handler method in controller class that will respond. Okay, na? Okay, next one, service class, repository level, wherever exception come, that will respond. So that is called global exception handling or not there. Okay. Now let's see the positive part. Let's see the positive part. Come to this. Okay. Junior NTR. Hero only. Okay. Hyderabad. Something. I think one thing I have to change nicely, guys. There is no need of taking OK Rabab. When problem is there, better to take what? Internal server error kind of thing or not there. Internal server error kind of thing or not there. Okay, that's good. Super. Okay. Now tell me here. It is taking the changes automatically. Click on send button. I think it is going to insert third record or fifth record. Two insertion failure, two numbers are generated, got wasted. Two insertions are failed, two numbers are generated, got wasted. So overall, we got the output over there or not there. That's great. Say refresh. Things are happening as expected, guys. Say something, my dear. I want reply, boss. Come on, everyone. So this is about what? First operation. Okay. Yeah. Today I'm testing with the Postman. Same API I will try to test with what? My own consumer application that is developed by using REST template in the coming classes. Yes? Right. Thank you. Okay, tomorrow we have a regular session. We complete mini project max to max, right? Saturday, Sunday, anyhow, we are busy with common topics. Monday onwards, RESTful API, REST API will continue for a few more days. Okay. I think all people agreed except one, two people. For them, I will provide recordings, guys. Okay. For them, I will provide what? Recordings. Right. Microservices, I will take up in the morning slot only. Exact date, I will let you know. Exact date, link and everything, I will let you know in the coming days. Yeah, I have not uploaded notes. Let me upload the notes. Why we got 400 status? Exception raised, that's why, boss. What happened?